Here we have verse 35 of the 5th chapter, Gospel of Matthew. Jesus is giving warnings concerning taking oaths, probably in the sense of a kind of flippant manner, and he's ruling out all the ways that people might commonly have sworn. I swear by this or that, He said, don't swear by heaven, because that's God's throne, and then adding to that, meta, neither. This, of course, goes with the first meta, which was found in the preceding verse. So neither, in preposition with the dative, tege, neither with respect to the land or the earth, could be actually a reference to Israel as the land, but one way or another, it's distinguished from heaven, so neither in the gay, in the earth, hoti, the explanation, hupopodion. This is from a word that combines hupo, which means on, with pous, the word for foot. And so taken together, foot on or footstool is the idea, because footstool, esten, third person singular, present active indicative, it is. And then tone, the genitive, plural of the article, the podon, the plural, genitive plural of pous, which is foot, so this is feet, of the feet, autou, referring back to the preceding verse in which heaven is the throne of God. And here is the footstool, it is his footstool, meta, once again, neither, ace, different preposition, we had en here, now ace, into, Jerusalem. The best thought here is that the people of Israel would look at Jerusalem as always the centerpiece of their affection, their understanding, and so don't swear into Jerusalem, giving a little bit more of the sense of personal investment there. Jesus says hoti because polis, the word for city, because city, esten, it is, to magalu, of the great king. So it is the city of the great king. Magalu is the adjective; it means great. Basileus, the word for king. And so these two taken together, along with two of the great king, give this rather pronounced understanding of the significance of Jerusalem. The book of Revelation says Jerusalem is the city that reigns over the kings of the earth. And some have wondered if that could refer to Jerusalem, because at the time, of course, it was under the occupation of Rome. But as it turns out, from the biblical point of view, Jerusalem always was the city that had precedence over all others, and this is one of many examples of that, suggesting that Jerusalem is the city that must be in view there. So here, Jesus ruling out all of these ways in which people might find things to swear by. People will swear by their mother's grave, that sort of thing, but Jesus is going through the list and really prohibiting any kind of swearing of any kind on the basis of these external sort of sacred reference points, because of course all of these represent a kind of trivializing of them in connection with frivolous swearing. That seems to be what he has in mind here.